Assalamualaikum student, welcome to the last session of our week 4 video lecture lesson plans, and this one is about, we were on, we can say, correctness. Your message has to be correct from each and every perspective. That can be about facts and figures, tone of the message, spelling, grammatical issues and all that. Each and everything has to be proper and correct. So the right form of language, accuracy and acceptable words are very important. Select the right level of language for your communication, either formal or informal. Realize that formal language is most often used in business communication, and check for correct figures, facts, and words. Apply the So again, these are the things what I'm telling you right now: facts and figures, words, and the formal language, whatever in the business communication, the way you have to use. Apply the principles of communication to your writing. That means whenever we are talking about correctness, your message should fulfill the Simmons's quality. Then you can say your message is properly correct and clear message. So clear, correct, and completeness. These are the three basic 7 C's of communication that covers other, you can say, C's of communication. So that is about correctness, right? So this is how we can say, we can message should be correct and clear from each and every perspective. So whenever we are talking about communication, already number of times we have discussed, like, your message and your communication should be effective and, yeah, you can say, clear, and from each and every perspective. Communication is very important. So effective communication is very important, like teaching, for teaching purpose, for any business dinner, for presenting your ideas, job interviews. You can say your appraisal, generally जो हमारी yearly appraisal होता है, asking for, you can say, whenever we are talking about, whenever we want to give some specific instruction to the staff, whenever we want to present some specific idea, brainstorming, team, for leadership purpose, for team meetings and all that, for good management, for good, you can say, conduct of the organization. Each and every perspective, your communication, you have to be good in your communication, and that is very important. So student, this is all about this session. That is about, we can say, basic जो इसमें week 4 में जो basic important topic था, that was about 7 C's of communication. So from each and every perspective, every C is very important. Like already we have discussed, there are 7 C's of communication. Your message should be clear, concise, complete, correct, coherent, complete, and courteous. This is very important. So whenever we are talking about coherence, so your message has to be logically, it must be in the flow, it must make the sense, and you can say sync with every portion, every sentence must be sync with another one. So that is about, we can say, 7 C's of communication. So that is about 7 C's, and these are the, you can say, all the slides that we have already discussed. So whenever we are talking about a complete message from, you can say, 7 C's qualities point of view, your message should be complete from each and every perspective. So this one is the, you can say, your session, students. Now let's talk about your assignment. अच्छा स्टूडेंट्स, असाइनमेंट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से जो इस आपके सेशन में असाइनमेंट है, वो केयरफुली यू हैव टू रीड द लेसन प्लान एंड मेक द ब्रीफ समरी ऑफ दिस लेक्चर. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, व्हाटएवर यू हैव स्टडीड इन योर लेसन प्लान्स जो मैंने आपको प्रोवाइड कर दी हैं, उसको आपने डिटेल में गो थ्रू हो जाना है, और उसकी आपने हैंड रिटन मुझे समरी बना के उसकी आपने मुझे सबमिट करवानी है. So that is the first part. Second part is about write brief description of your project as per your understanding and after initial data gathering process. So another very important thing is, जो आपने करना है वो ये करना है कि you have to write down the very brief description of your project as per your understanding and after initial data gathering process. Like अभी तक जो भी आपने initially जो data gather किया है, because it's about 4th week, अभी month भी नहीं हुआ है, तो जो भी आपको समझ आता है, जो एक आप ड्राफ्ट क्रिएट कर सकते हो, एक डॉक्यूमेंट बना सकते हो रिगार्डिंग योर project. So you have to make it a report or a document in that form after initial data gathering process. That means whatever the understanding till now you have regarding your project, just you have to submit that document. There is no specific format of that document कि आपने कोई report लिखनी है या memo लिखना है या abstract लिखना है, whatever you want to, just you have to give very brief description regarding your project जो आपकी initial data gathering के बाद होता है, तो वो आपने बताना है कि what's the name of your project, first thing is, then what will be the purpose of your project and whatever you are doing and basic objectives जो आपको डॉक्टर साहब ने बताएं कि ये ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आपने कवर करने हैं, वो आपने स्पेसिफाई करने हैं, एंड व्हाट विल बी द टूल यू आर यूजिंग रिगार्डिंग योर यू कैन से project, and what are the, we can say, different techniques you are using or you will use regarding your project. So whatever you think about your project, जो आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेवल है till now, till fourth week, wo you have to describe. So this one is about your assignment session. So thank you so much for this week 4 session, and good luck students. Thank you so much.